In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old tickets from your Apple Wallet. If your wallet app is cluttered with tickets from past events or flights, it's time for a little spring cleaning. Managing your digital organization not only keeps things tidy, but can also help your device run a bit more smoothly. So let's dive into the process and clear out the clutter, one old ticket at a time. First, start by simply opening your wallet app. You should find this icon on your home screen, and it's typically represented by a colourful wallet graphic. Opening the app is like peeking inside your pocket, but instead of crumpled paper stubs, you have digital equivalents. If your phone is filled to the brim with past tickets, this can be a breath of fresh air in itself. Once inside, you'll want to scroll through your wallet. Here, you're going to locate the specific ticket you wish to say goodbye to. The tickets are usually displayed in a stack, so take your time to scroll through and find that one ticket you no longer need. It might be from last summer's concert, or perhaps a flight from a business trip that's long completed. A quick tip here, if you have lots of items, look for the familiar icons or dates that might help you spot the ticket faster. After you locate the ticket, go ahead and open it by giving it a tap. This action will maximize the ticket, giving you a full view of the details. You'll see information like the event, name, date, and any attached barcodes. It's a nice way to double check you're removing the correct pass. Sometimes it's easy to get confused when you're dealing with multiple passes, especially for frequent travelers or event goers. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small, unobtrusive icon resembling three dots. This icon is your gateway to additional options. Tap on it to proceed. Here you'll find a menu that provides various actions related to the pass you've selected. Next, simply scroll down through this menu until you find the Remove Pass option. This is it, the point of no return for that old ticket. Tap Remove Pass and poof! The ticket disappears from your wallet, simplifying your digital space with one small action. And there you have it, a cleaner, more organized Apple Wallet ready to serve tickets for upcoming events without the clutter of yesteryear's stubs. Remember, you can repeat this process for as many old passes as you need to remove. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to a more organized and efficient device. Plus, it always feels good to clear away the digital cobwebs, doesn't it? See you next time.